Hey dear users, welcome to the SurveyMaker plugin tutorial. Today we will learn how to create surveys of any kind and make the form building process much easier. Let's start from the very beginning. The installation of the plugin is happening from the Plugins menu. You just need to click on the Add New and then search for the SurveyMaker. Activate the plugin by clicking on the button. After the installation and activation, you will find the SurveyMaker on the left menu bar. When you click on it, you will find all survey lists that you have already created, if there are any. Let's take a look at one survey I have already created. On the first, General tab, you can see all the questions and sections of the survey. You are allowed to use various question types like number, yes or no, drop down, and more. You can add pictures to your questions and make them required. In the style settings, you can make your survey fully customizable. Choose themes and colors for your surveys. Edit questions, answers, and button styles. In the Settings tab, you can add survey categories, randomize answers and questions, show questions count, and so on. In the Results Settings tab, you can set up the settings of the last result page. You can enable social buttons, write down thank you message, and add images if you want. SurveyMaker plugin also makes it possible to enable limitations for users. For instance, you can enable maximum number of attempts per user, make survey only for logged-in users, or set maximum count of takers. There are also a lot of useful and more advanced features, such as other question types, start page styles, copy protection, and email settings, that are available only with the Pro version of the plugin. After setting up all options and saving changes, go back to the survey list, copy the shortcode, and paste it into any post or page. Here it is, simple and easy to use surveys that could suit any website's interface. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more educational tutorials.